Hey everyone, I'm truly excited to share something amazing with you today. In this video, I'll be showing you a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning viral shorts in just one click. And yes, you can even do it using existing videos. The best part, you can start making these viral shorts absolutely free of cost. This incredible tool is called Creonix Pro. Let me take you step by step and demonstrate how you can turn ordinary clips into viral content within minutes. Here's what you need to do. First, click the link in the description to visit the website. By signing up through this link, you'll instantly receive 150 free credits, which means you can create dozens of viral shorts without paying anything. Once you're on the site, simply click Get Started for free. After that, you can register quickly using your Google account or any email address. After signing up, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly interface. And from there, we'll dive right into the process of creating your first viral short. To start creating your shorts, click on Create New Project. Begin by entering a project name. You also have the option to add an account style. This step is optional, so feel free to include anything that suits your creation. Once done, hit Create Project. Once your project is set up, head over to the Style Template section. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your shorts. First, let's create a custom template. Under Active Style Template, click on Create New Style and give your template a name. Next, move to the subtitles settings. Here you can choose your preferred font style. Here you can try out all three options one by one to see how they work. I'll go with Comica Axis. After that, you can also adjust the font size and select font styles below that you can pick a font color. For example, I'll go with yellow. You'll also find options to add extra styling. For instance, and from here you can set a shadow color, I'll choose black, to make the text pop. Just below, you'll notice the Enable Hook feature. Make sure to activate this. It helps capture attention and boost engagement on your shorts. Another great touch is adding your logo, which gives your content a professional and authentic feel. Once everything is ready, simply click on Save Template and confirm with OK. Your template will now be saved. Now let's move on to the short creation section. Click on Shorts Maker and a new interface will open, ready for you to bring your ideas to life. There are two simple ways to create shorts on this platform, either by pasting a YouTube video link or by uploading a video file. For this demonstration, I'll show you how to create shorts using a YouTube video link. Let's head over to YouTube. I'll use one of Mr. Beast's videos as an example. The process is incredibly easy. Just copy the video link, then come back to the website and paste it into the box provided. Next, select the project we created earlier, choose the template style we customized, and then click on Create Short Videos. Now, if you scroll down slightly, you'll notice that the video is already being processed. Within just a few seconds, it's ready. Let's click on it to see the results. And here's the best part. From just one single video, the tool has automatically created 8 shorts. You only need to wait a few minutes for them to finish processing. And once they're ready, you'll see each short complete with titles, logos, and subtitles.
Finally time for the moment we've all been waiting for. What you're about to witness is the ultimate showdown of man versus animal. This race is so monumental, in fact, that if anyone is going to win this $100,000, you must choose to survive 1 minute in the ring with either take off your blindfold, and he's about to test his strength. This cheetah is going to race the fastest car on Earth. Let's see who wins. Oh, cheetah, how long do you think they'll last?
Probably about 5 minutes.
Delivered exactly as per the instructions we set. This makes content creation faster, easier, and highly efficient.
You lost to the fastest man on Earth. You've now lost to the best sumo wrestler on Earth. Yeah. I feel bad. So, up next, we have the highest vertical leaper on the planet. No joke, that's his.
You can upload these shorts directly to YouTube and start monetizing your channel with ease. To stay safe from copyright issues, always give full credit to the original creator by adding their channel name and video link in your description. Downloading your videos is super simple. Just click the Download All button to save everything at once, or use the small download icon to grab them one by one. Even better, if you enable posting mode, you can publish your videos directly to your social accounts in just a few clicks. Simply select your videos, hit post, and then head over to the posting section, where you'll find all your videos neatly organized in the media list. Right below that, you'll find the scheduler feature, an absolute game changer. With this, you can schedule the exact time your videos go live on different platforms, giving you full control over your posting strategy. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's explore the Creative Studio. This is where the real magic happens, with features like text-to-image, image-to-image, and text-to-speech. For example, let me quickly show you the text-to-image tool. Here's how it works. First, enter your prompt in the text box. Then select your preferred aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9. After that, pick the number of images you'd like to generate. I'll go with 4. And click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your images will be ready. You can click on any image to view it in full size. And yes, it's perfectly generated in 16:9 ratio. If you want to keep it, just hit the download button. But here's the exciting part. By clicking Make Video, you can instantly transform your image into a video. And that's just one example. The Creative Studio is packed with more powerful features for you to try out. And that's all for now. This tool is absolutely incredible, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to give it a try. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more powerful AI tools and step-by-step tutorials every week, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.